Hi, in this video we are going to learn about personalization. How do we personalize Microsoft Windows 11 and all the personalization options that are included under settings. To do that, you can simply right click on your desktop and click personalize, or you can simply go to start menu, click settings, and on the left hand side, the fourth menu, we have personalization. The first one is which theme you select to apply. It is simply just click and apply. Once you click, it will apply whatever the theme you have selected. Under the theme, what images you can change or what are the color layouts and everything, you can simply go to further options. Like the first one is background. For in background options, you can see this theme uses what? It uses a personalized background. You can use them as a picture, solid color, Windows Spotlight. If you choose Windows Spotlight, whatever Windows has selected, Windows will use that. Or you can use slideshow and you can choose which folder from the photos system will use as those photos as slideshow. So these photos will keep changing. Keep changing when? Change picture every 30 minutes. You can set it to 1 hour, 1 day, or 6 hours as you like. I have selected it to be changed every 30 minutes. Shuffle the picture order if you would like to shuffle, means not a random, not a set pattern will be used. One, two, three, fourth, maybe one, then sixth, then fourth, then tenth, like that. A random shuffling will be done. And let slideshow run if I am on battery. If you use that, the system will use too much of the battery power, which is not recommended. So we'll keep this off. And choose a fit for your desktop images. What fit you want? You want to fit or fill, stretch, tile. If you select tile and if the photo is not full photo, full picture that will appear on your screen, it will make tiles, small images, and combine them. If you center the photo, you can see how the photo appears. Um, we'll minimize it and we'll use the options then. If you center it, it shows. If you stretch it, then it will choose one image that will be stretched. If you choose fit, it will fit the photo. If you choose, you can see the photo is fit. That means the full screen is being used. If you choose fill, under fill, the full screen will be covered by the photo only. After fill, we have next related options. We can choose contrast, the theme. The theme can be, these are the few given themes. The theme can be a desert theme, a dusk theme, or a night sky. You can choose any one of these. If you select aquatic and apply, it will take some time and make the changes. If you select desert, click apply, again it will take some time to apply the settings because it has to change all the system's layout if you see like that. And okay, dusk, if you apply that, you can see here as well how the taskbar and everything looks like. This is mainly dark theme. Let's go to settings. It's not opening, maybe because I have a new Windows update being downloaded, Windows Insider Preview. That might be the reason it's not opening the Windows right away. You can simply go back to any normal theme and all the settings will get back to the normal. And again, under background, we were choosing contrast themes. If you choose any one of these, we select none, that's better. Or you can choose themes here. Once you click under personalization, background, you can under contrast theme, you can go themes or directly personalization, and the third option is themes. There you can create the background, you can select the colors, you can choose the mouse cursor, whatever you like, and the sound icon. You can create the themes here. These are all the available themes. If you would like to browse more themes on Microsoft Store, click Browse More Themes. It will open Microsoft Store and show you what themes are available. Most of the themes from Microsoft are available for free. You can even filter them here. You want the free ones or the popular ones, top free or top paid. Let's check top paid and you will see only a Christmas theme. I'm not sure how much it will ask because there is nothing written on this. Anyways, let's go back to our filters and we go top free themes. So under themes, you can see which any theme you would like to install. For example, let's see color explosion and get. Since it is a free theme, the system will download it right away. It will take some time, and once the theme has been downloaded, it will appear here. So we can use that. So once you select, it will be applied to your desktop. Or you can set the icons. Now you see the theme has been downloaded. You can open it, and once you open it, goes under the themes. If you select, it will show as applied theme. You can see that. All right. Next, under personalization, we were discussing desktop theme icons. If you click that, it will open as the hyperlink shows. It will open the desktop icons. There you can see what icons will be shown. If you would like to hide, you don't want any icon, even the recycle bin, you can hide it, uncheck it, and apply. Then it will hide. If you would like even your computer or control panel to be seen, you can click apply, check them, apply. From here directly you can go to control panel for the next time. If you don't want, you can simply uncheck it. The same way you are checking the settings, you can change the icon also. Select the setting name, change icon, and you can choose from the given. There are a lot of given icons. You can even download more and browse and select that one. And once you choose select the new one, click apply, and it allows themes to change your desktop icons. If any theme has new desktop icons, it will let the theme apply that. Here you can change the background. Again, will go, it will change after 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Next, under themes, you can select the mouse cursor, how the cursor will look like. You can change it to a pen, a handwriting pen, or anything. These mouse cursor properties or mouse cursor views for customization are also available across many websites. You can set the pointer speed. If you remember the previous one, where Bluetooth and devices, we had mouse, and we can set up the mouse speed there as well. This setting comes in Windows 10 and 11 in the settings menu, but previously in the legacy code, these settings were supposed to be open from control panel. If, for example, if you open control panel, there you will find the mouse. If you click mouse, these settings will appear. So these settings can still be open from personalization, theme, and mouse cursor, and it opens those settings directly. So you can choose whatever you like and click OK to save the settings. Next, on personalization, we have colors. This is the new feature Microsoft has. Colors and accent. You can see the accent colors. Whatever the color you choose, for example, I have selected blue. You can see on the taskbar, it's blue color. Even if I open any windows, it shows the top is uh, blue color. If I select any other color, for example, now you can see the colors have been changed to the purple or pink, whatever this color is. Let's select red. It will change everything to red. These are the accent colors. Uh, if you select automatic, then they will be changing automatic based on your system settings or theme settings. If you would like to choose transparency effect mainly are used on surfaces that appear true translucent. If you see, now you can see at the background of this, of the taskbar, that there are other apps open behind it. If you don't want to use, as it will use a lot of battery power, you can reduce it or turn it off. uh, Choose your mode, how it will be, light mode or dark mode. If you select dark, your whole system settings will be dark mode. If you choose light, it will be light mode. Then transparency is, if you would like the transparency effects to be used, turn on. If you don't like, turn it off. Again, accent colors, let's choose something different. Now you can use custom colors. If you click here, you can select from the color palettes. When you have selected the color, it's showing which color you are currently using and which one you are selecting. Click OK. Show the accent color on the title bars. If you want to show the title bar colors at the top, keep it on. If you don't want, keep it off. Then again, theme contrast is what we have already gone through. Next option on personalization is lock screen. When we lock our screen, when we lock our system, for example, like this, before logging in, it shows like this. Uh, what will appear, what settings, these settings, time and date, these settings, location, uh, and which images will be shown. These settings can be selected from personalization lock screen. When we are in lock screen, the personalization lock screen will be Windows Spotlight, a picture. You can see now, if you see, for example, we selected this and we go back to our lock screen, we'll have this as lock screen. And you can see there are fewer options. If you again go back to slideshow, you can use multiple photos, which pictures it will be used, which folders. If you would like to remove the folder or add new photos folder, you can simply go to browse. We'll go back to Windows Spotlight. So it will be Windows latest news and everyday daily new wallpaper. Again, show weather on the home screen. If you would like to see weather, email, or calendar, you can see that. If you don't want to see, you can simply remove that. Um, Show the lock screen background on the picture. On sign in screen, turn on or turn off. If you'd like to turn it on, leave it on, so it will show the, if you're using your personal picture and you don't want anybody else to see before you log in, you can keep it off. Screen timeout time, how much timeout screen will take. It will take us to system's power option in the first menu. Here we can set up the timeout for the screen when it will uh, turn off according to our power management. You can simply go to power management plan and set up turn off the display after 3 minutes on battery and after 5 minutes when plugged in if not used. So after lock screen we have text input. Text input is how the text will be inputting, which theme you are going to use. You can use Windows different themes. These themes are new. Again, you can get new themes from online and you can use them. Or you can even design or define your own background color, background picture. If you click there, you can select your own picture while inputting the text. After text input themes, you can see there is option for touch keyboard. You can use touch keyboard also. If you go down there at the taskbar, this will open. This is how it will open. You can change this background image. You can replace it to your own or whatever image you like the most, your favorite cartoon or your favorite movie, whatever you like to set. You can use it small if you're using a small screen or a tab or a phone. After text input, what will be the keyboard size? Show background on the keys. Key text is small. We can increase it if you have any visibility issues, or you can view or change your own keyboard. If you go there, open keyboard, again you can make it maximize it and it will be bigger. If you are using a touch screen, it will uh, allow you to use the keyboard through the touching. You can also choose that typing speed. This will go through in time and language in the next menu. Personalization again. After text input, sorry, we have start menu. Under start menu, this here, what will appear? You can use more pins. So it will use more pins if we have any pinned options. You can use default. If you select default, in default, there is recommended and more, all apps and more, not no recent or anything. If you use more recommended, you can see what more recommended means. Four or more recommended options are being given. You can customize this. What will be seen? This is showing recommended. You can show recently added apps. If you keep it on any app you have added recently, it will show here. If you want to disable it, disable, turn it off. Show most used apps. The most used apps will be also shown. Show recently open items on startup, jump list, and file explorer. If you keep it off, it will not show the recently open files. You can see the more you use your device, the more will show your new apps here. So because we have disabled the files, but when we keep it on, and we search, it will show us the files we have been using recently. After this, we have folders option. Under folders, for example, like this, what folders, what clock, tips, settings, or calculator, or settings, file explorer, social media, what will be shown. You can simply, if you want the settings to be shown, you can see here at the bottom of the taskbar start menu, you can disable settings. Now you see there is no settings option. For example, we'll disable file explorer, document, download, file, picture. Let's leave video, network, and personal folder, so we can see these three options are there. You can see video, network, and personal folder. And of course, even if we remove these, the power button will remain there. See, the power button remains there. If you would like to enable certain settings, you don't want all of the settings. For example, I would like to go to network and personal folders. That's it. So I'll keep these settings and that will be all. So I don't mess up most of the things. Uh, and I don't like to use music, picture, or videos or documents. These are unnecessary options. So there is more customization in Microsoft Windows 11. After folders, we'll go back to our personalization. We have next taskbar. Taskbar, what will be shown on the taskbar? Search, task view. This is search. This is task view. If you click search, whatever recently you have searched and whatever you have recently used will be shown. Uh, if you want the chat to be shown, this chat is Microsoft Teams. Widgets, these widgets are here. If you would like to disable it, it will be gone, you can see. If you enable it, it will appear again. Same with search, task view, and chat. If you don't want these options, you can disable that. For example, I will not be using chat because most of the time I'm using this system for development. Then on system tray, you would like to use pen menu. I'm not using pen device, so I don't want pen menu. Uh, Touch keyboard, yes, I need that. Virtual keyboard, if you would like to use, it will show the icon here. If you don't like to use, it will not show the icon. Touch pad, we can disable. Other system tray icons. Again, you can see here system tray, what will be shown. It will show any documents, it will show Bluetooth. Now you can see the Bluetooth icon. If you say any other apps you want to see on the, so it will show all these apps that you have enabled. If you would like, I think Microsoft is missing a main category on and off switch. There should be an on and off switch that will, I don't have to go to each and every one. Other tray icons should be, or system tray icons, or even taskbar items. There should be a master on or off. If I turn on all and turn off all, there should be an option. Anyways, I hope Microsoft can listen to this. Taskbar behavior. What will taskbar do? Again, if you are old school, you would like to use like Windows 10 or previous Windows version, you can use a taskbar alignment. From center, you can go to left. So we will have again like we used to have before. I don't like that. I like to use the latest one like in the middle. Automatically hide taskbar. It will hide the taskbar. When you move your cursor down there, it will show again. This can be handy if you don't like to switch between many apps. Show badges on the taskbar app. If you would like to show badges, flashing on the taskbar app. Flashing means if I open any app, it will flash that app. Uh, let's leave it. Recent searches. When I hover, you can see recent searches. If I disable it, it will not show recent searches and nothing when I am hovering over it. If I enable it without clicking or anything, I can see what have been recently searched. So I can go to control panel if I like. And same with share any window from my taskbar, and I can simply share the settings. Select the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. If you would like to use that, that also can be enabled or disabled. Next in personalization is fonts. Under fonts, you can browse and install new fonts. These can be downloaded from various websites. Like if you are using some fonts that are not that do not come normally with Microsoft Windows, you can get more fonts again from the store. You click there, it will take you to the Microsoft store where you can download all these fonts. For example, if I need all Arabic fonts, I will download. Um, yes, the benefit of downloading apps from Microsoft Store is your system will not get virus because they check all the apps at the submission. You can check Teams. Microsoft Teams also came to be downloaded as an app. Before it was not there. This is the recent update that Microsoft has made. Further, you can even do the related settings. For example, adjust clear text type. This will take you to Windows control panel options. You can find a character from here, special characters, and you can download fonts for all languages. So we are adding some new features. It will be downloaded. Oh boy. Can I cancel? Yeah, sure. Yes, please. Cancel, cancel. I'm not interested. I hope I did cancel all. The only thing I will be interested in downloading will be my, you can say, Windows Arabic fonts. Anyways, we'll go back to fonts. You can search which font you are using, and if you don't like, you can uninstall any font that you have seen. For example, if you have already used a font, you want to disable it, this font you don't need it, you can click there and remove. You can click hide or uninstall also from the before even opening the font. Last but not least, we have device options. You can select all the ways to plan your device personalization app. Device usage is uh, you use your device for what? As you can see, I have selected only business. If you use for gaming, if you use for family, what it will do once you select these categories, it will give you related to that. Since I selected entertainment now, I selected family and gaming now. This taskbar widgets, it's giving me these new entertainment widgets in the widgets menu or widgets bar. If I use for school, for creativity, for entertainment, I will select all those. If I don't want, I can simply deselect it. You can select these options even from here, and you can choose here. For example, here now I'm unable to select or deselect anything. I will go back to my Microsoft Windows device usage and disable all these. So these settings will also be removed from there. Okay, to manage these settings, you must go to manage interest. That will take you to Microsoft Store, your Microsoft Online account, and there you can set your interest for what you are using this PC or computer or laptop, whatever you are using. For example, I like technology news. I will select that and none others. That will be all for now for personalization. Thank you for watching this video.